know my numbers, and be intentional. It kind of broke it down to be very easy. Every day I know how many people I need to chat with and to concentrate on my numbers. She helped me to realize numbers are important.
Today, of course, is to be able to pour into you and help you build your dream team.
Meet Vanessa Franz Barnes, national speaker, real estate coach, and consultant with more than 1,000 homes sold, and host of the Profitable Real Estate Agent podcast. She is a 4-time NAR NXT speaker and trusted speaker for brokerages, teams, and associations across the country.
Do we like our numbers?
She equips agents with the tools, systems, and clarity they need to build consistent closings and predictable income in any market.
After listening to the Profitable Real Estate Agent, I leaned on one of Vanessa's scripts, and not only did I book the appointment, I earned their business.
Her presentations are direct, strategic, and packed with actionable takeaways your audience can use that day. If you want a speaker who understands this industry at the highest level and delivers real results every time she steps on stage, Vanessa is the expert you bring in.